I'm really glad that she has, two men with her today, both of them being the
about me. It's just a little story I have penned down because I don't want to get you confused. Probably I started very early in my life. So good evening everyone. I'm Pooja Dhandaria, also known as Pooja D. Gupta because I got married to Mr. Gupta and founded and creative soul of Posh Creative Studio. I'm also a member of She Splash community, a women-led platform which is recognized by 4 government entities and platform built by women for women. And I'm grateful to Digby for this opportunity. And so if you have met me years ago, you have seen a girl sitting at home watching just a gadget show, nothing else, just a crime series. I pursued interior designing professionally and successfully executed quite good projects based at Jaipur. And then I worked in admin and HR for a few years, chasing what I thought was a real career. But despite trying hard, I couldn't land the role that I desired. So I moved to Bangalore from Jaipur for PeopleSoft training. Around that time, I met Shobit and I met her again. We knew each other from 11th grade and we fell in love and we got married. Nothing sort of Bollywood proposal, but that's a story of another time. Life was moving forward, but inside I felt stuck. Because I have always been someone who believes in working, sitting back idle was never my thing. At the same time, I realized that a 9 to 5 was not my cup of tea either. So I chose to dive into 24 into 7 journey driven by passion and purpose. As a child in 7th and 8th grade, my mom would send me every Sunday to hobby classes conducted by a woman, her friend actually, who would use the proceeds from that classes to facilitate or support underprivileged girls and marriages and support choice education. Back then, it felt quite ordinary. I didn't know those Sundays were building my foundation. I gave it a shot. I started with flea markets, exhibitions, candle making, wall decors, and gift auctions. No business, no big business blueprint, just a belief and consistency. Then people began asking me one question that changed my life. Do you teach? Here comes the main story. This led to the birth of Posh Creative Studio. We curated our first creative getaway, Eco-Wash workshop at Taj Bangalore MG Road. And I participated in corporate market during a business fest as showcased by upcycled Eco-Wash bottles. The response was overwhelming. I sold out around 200 bottles on the very first day of the day of the fest. And it took me almost, I think, 2 months to prepare them. What makes it even more special, where it all started, a 3 feet by 3 feet corner of a room of a 3 BHK apartment. And today I'm grateful to have an entire floor dedicated as my studio. From a small corner to a full creative space, the journey has truly been magical. For the next 6-7 years, we collaborated with Taj Group across cities, conducting workshops while fulfilling customized home decor and gifting projects. During these sessions, I discovered upcycling, the art of transforming discarded objects into beautiful and meaningful things. And then I realized creativity just doesn't transform spaces, it transforms souls. Today, Posh Creative Studio is my passion, a homegrown studio nurtured for over 14 years in Bangalore. With experience in over 16-17 art and craft forms, I blend traditional techniques with contemporary aesthetics, with resin epoxy art and decoupage to marble painting, stenciling, texture wall art and upcycling. So I have learned decoupage from somebody who used to teach in art school of Paris, then pottery from Netherlands, and gilding from Florence, and blue pottery and marble painting from Germany. I also explored several workshops that were taking place in Bangalore at that point of time. And whenever I get the opportunity, I still wholeheartedly embrace learning something new. Because creativity has no finish line. You keep learning and you keep striving into it. Posh Creative Studio is not just about artworks, it is about the journey of creating. Through thoughtfully designed workshop for children and adults, I have seen people walking in saying that I am not creative and walking out glowing with confidence. I guess that glow and that confidence changes lives. Beyond art, I have explored my adventurous side, playing pistol shooting at state level for Rajasthan at 2 times. Experiencing hot air ballooning, skydiving and seabed walking. Because whether you are at a shooting range or you are jumping out of a plane or hosting a workshop with no registration, I think the courage feels the same. Today, what began as Sunday hobby has evolved into a thriving creative hub, a space where imagination flourishes and creativity feels accessible to all. And if I can leave you with one thought, it is this. That thing you call just a hobby might be your purpose waiting patiently. Give it a chance because creativity when embraced doesn't just build art, it builds you. Now, can you just tell me what posh really means? Like anybody. What posh really means?
The word posh?
Yeah. Spelling?
Posh means
Elegant.
uptown, right?
Yeah.
Elegant?
Yeah.
So posh is it means
Yeah.
elegant, sophisticated, and
Yeah.
luxurious. Posh is thoughtfully crafted. P.O. from Ujjwala and S.H. from Shobit, who's my husband.
Okay.
I know this is a woman-led platform, and rightly so. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge and express gratitude to men and families who support, acknowledge, encourage, and stand beside each woman every single day. If I'm the heart and hands behind Posh, then Shobit is effective problem solver. I meant when I was revising this and practicing this, I kept saying problem maker. And Arpit is the backbone, who's my brother-in-law, and which are unpaid labors. Today together we create ideas into reality. Much love and thank you for believing in creativity, in dreams and in Thank you so much.
Wow.